Welcome to grammar classes, and in this video I'll be teaching you chapter 7 pronoun, and this is the first part of this chapter. So what's a pronoun? You know, we have got so many different parts of speech. Okay, if we see all the parts of speech starting with noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. Now these are all, we have total 8 parts of speech. So among these 8 parts of speech, we are going to do one of it, and that's pronoun. And what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Is it clear, children? Pronoun. In pronoun also we have got this noun. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. For example, cow is a domestic animal. Full stop. It gives us milk. Okay. What is now name of a person, place, animal, thing? Now cow here is noun. Cow is a domestic animal. Abhi dusri bar in place of cow what I am using? It. So it is the pronoun. So it is used in place of the noun cow. Again and again I don't want to write this word cow. So now in place of that I have written it. The name of my school is St.Xaviers High School. It is situated in Adipur. So next time when I use it, I have used it, pronoun it I have used in place of the noun. So what is pronoun? A word that is used in place of a noun. Yes, children. Now we'll be learning about antecedent. Now what is antecedent? Antecedent is a noun. Okay, it's a noun that a pronoun replaces. For example, I'll take the same example which I have taken it before. Cow is a domestic animal. It gives us milk. Now in this sentence, the noun cow has been replaced to it. Okay, you know that, no? Cow is the noun which has replaced to pronoun it. तो antecedent क्या हुआ? वो word जिसको pronoun ने replace किया, and which is that word? Cow. So here it is pronoun and cow is the antecedent. Is it clear, children? Antecedent is a noun, okay, to which a pronoun is being replaced. Now we will be doing the exercise. Underline the pronouns and identify their antecedents in the following sentences. Does Tara know that she has to speak in the assembly tomorrow? Now you all know pronoun is she, और she किसको represent कर रहा है? Tara को. So she is pronoun and Tara is antecedent. We told Anil that he had been selected to join our team. Now first you identify all the pronoun. Now here we have we have he here. Okay, only 2 pronoun, we and he. अभी we किसको बात कर रहा है? So we is talking for team and he is talking about Anil. So we is for team and he antecedent is Anil. My neighbors have a noisy dog. It barks all night. Now where is the pronoun? It. It is a pronoun and it is actually talking about this dog. So dog is antecedent. If you see Namit, give him this pen. Now where is the pronoun? You have this you is also the pronoun and him. So the main pronoun here is him and it is talking to Namit. Okay, so Namit is antecedent. Hi Pinky, can you come here please? So here you is the pronoun and you is talking about Pinky. So Pinky is antecedent. If the children have had breakfast, they can go to school. Now the pronoun here is they and they is talking for children. So children is antecedent. We called Meena several times but she did not come. So pronoun is she and she is for Meena. So Meena is antecedent. Palak has been working hard and now she is ahead of the class. She is the pronoun and she is for Palak. So Palak is antecedent. 1. Amir told Zubin that he enjoyed his singing. He and his is pronoun here. Okay, we have two, that is he and his. And he antecedent is Amir and his antecedent is Zubin. The employees are organizing a function in the office tomorrow to honor Mr. Sahu, who completes his 25th year in the company. Now here we have his, so that is pronoun and antecedent for it is Mr. Sahu. 11th one, before you buy canned juice, check its expiry date. So the pronoun is its and antecedent for that is juice. मतलब जो pronoun होता है वो कौन से noun के लिए है. So that noun is antecedent here. When my cousin presented me a little puppy, it was a month old. So pronoun, as you know, it is it and antecedent is puppy. Children, now we will be learning different types of pronoun. Pronoun is the biggest chapter because it has got 7 different kinds of pronoun. Okay, and we will be covering all these 7 in this semester. So first one is personal pronoun. We have demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun and relative pronoun. So total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have total 7 different kinds of pronoun. I'll just give a brief introduction of these different kinds and then I'll be taking one in detail. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun talks about 3 person. I'll be explaining personal pronoun in this video. So let me give one sentence introduction of other pronouns, then I'll come to personal. Demonstrative. Demonstrative word itself means pointing out, and in that it comes this, that, these and those. Whenever you point out, this is my house, that is my pen. So this, that, these, those comes under demonstrative. Interrogative, it's very easy. All the question mark sentences comes under interrogative. Possessive, belongingness. Okay, this is my house. So belongingness, that is possessive. Reflexive and emphatic, we can say they are brother sister. Why brother sister? Because both have got SELF, themselves. Okay, but how they are different, I'll be explaining in my coming videos. Then is relative pronoun. Okay, your that, which, all these things come under relative pronoun. So in this video, I'll be explaining personal pronoun in detail. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun comprises of 3 person. First person, second person and third person. Always. See, even every conversation, every communication, we have these 3 persons. So it is very important aspect of learning your English. So first person is I, and we. Second person is you. Third person is he, she, it, and last one they. So how many persons are there? 3 persons. The first person is I and we. I is singular in number, we is plural. Second person is always you, and you is for both singular and plural. He, she, it, they are singular and they is plural. Is it clear? Now, how we can use the verb when you are using these pronouns? That is I. For example, I am taking the verb. You can take any verb. I am taking the verb study. So, if it is I, then I will be writing I study. If it is we, it will be we study. Okay? And if it is you, it is always study. He studies, studies. Third person singular number में वो s आएगा. She studies. Okay, it studies. They study. Is it clear, children? How the verb changes according to the subject. And in all our subject, we have these 3 persons only. And we can have third person one more. For example, we take Tina or any other person. So, that Tina also will come under singular number. This Tina, that third person will come under singular number. So, Tina will be Tina studies in St.Xaviers school. Is it clear, children? First person means the person who is talking. Right now I am talking to you, so I am the first person. Okay, and I am talking to you, so you are the second person. If you talk to me, you become first person and I become second person. And if a third person comes in between us, a person who interrupts our conversation, that person becomes third person. Is it clear, children? So when it is I, it is always study. But one more thing you have to remember, that only with I we have am. Okay, now that is a different thing that you will be learning in tenses, that I will be teaching you in our later chapters. But for now, you have to concentrate on these 3 persons. Okay, so when it is I, the verb will be study only. When it is we, it is study. When it is you, it is study. For example, in place of study, if I take sing, you sing. Tina will become sings. Whenever we have third person singular number, S will come. He sings, she sings, it sings, they sing. Only in third person singular number that S will come, otherwise no need of it. Okay? A table which I have explained it on the board, that personal pronoun, how we can use it in a number form, that is singular and plural, gender form, that is male and female, and when it is about which person. The first person, as you know, I and we. I is singular and plural. So that is subjective. Okay, subject में होता है. And objective, which is the part of predicate. Okay, so subjective is in subject and objective is in predicate. तो I का object क्या होगा? Me. We will be us. They invited us. So us is objective. Now the number I is singular, we is plural, and I is used for both male and female, and we is also used for both male and female, and I and we both talks about first person. You, the objective is also you, singular and plural is also the same, gender you is used for both female and male, and this is the second person. Now comes third person. In third person we have he, subject, so object क्या है? Him. She subject, her is object. It subject and object is it only. They, them. Now he, she, it and they is what? Third person. So that's what it's written. These are all third person. Now he, she, it is singular number. They is plural. He is used for a male. She is used for a female. It is used for anyone but inanimate object. And you know, according to grammar, plant kingdom and animal kingdom are considered as inanimate. Now, rules of personal pronoun. When personal pronoun occur as subject of sentence, we use subjective form. As I told you, I, we, you, he, she. So, these are subjective form. We use objective forms of personal pronouns when they occur as the object of a verb or preposition. These pronouns, now these are all objective, these are subjective. We just did that in the table. There are some more rules. It refers to non-personal entities and is considered to have neuter gender. Okay, some of it has got a neuter gender. It is used for things without life. You know that third person it. Okay, it is used for neuter gender as well as inanimate object, that is according to grammar animals, temporary subject, and while speaking of the weather or time. So this is how we can use it pronoun. Remember, when two pronouns occurring as subjects are joined by and or, we use subjective form. Jatin and I went for the show. We will never say Jatin and me. Subjective hai I. Conjunctions like than or as, we use subjective or objective. Suri is shorter than I. Subjective use किया, यहाँ actually objective होना चाहिए, but जब this is used, then you have to use I, subjective. If than used as preposition, the sentence would have Suri is shorter than me. Okay, than use किया है, इसके लिए I you can write. Now filling the blanks with correct pronoun, both you and I knew the answer. We had as many trees in our garden as they. You promised to take Harsh and me to Shimla. Rashmi and I attended Sharma's wedding. Can you dance better than? Than hai, so it should be they. You can write them, but they is more appropriate. He was kind to my brother and me. If I had to choose between Gaurav and him, I would choose Gaurav. You are surely more talented than them. You and I need to talk. Sita or I will help you. Homework for today's session is write exercise 1 in notebook, mention pronoun and antecedent, write exercise 2 in textbook. Thank you and may God bless you.